Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to On the Mic and welcome to Brave Gym. आज मैं यहाँ आया हूँ खास मकसद के लिए to talk to you about Pakistan Combat Night जो होने जा रही है August 10th में in Lahore. I used to work here in Brave Gym for 2 years और यहाँ पे मेरी बहुत special memory है. But at the same time, we're here today to talk to Umar Ahmed, the president of the Pakistan Mixed Martial Arts Federation, who's behind Pakistan Combat Night. And as you can see, if you can show them thinking, Brave Gym is packed. It is a full house. There's so many people here. Abhi actually rush thoda kam ho gaya. There's a lot more people here. And it is always full of fighters. And this is where fighting starts in Pakistan. So Pakistan Combat Night is going to be August 10th. We're going to talk to Umar Ahmed in great detail, full-length interview. Enjoy it. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. And of course, subscribe to On the Mic. Let's go. Umar, right? Thank you so much for
Thank you, Danny. Thank you, as always.
also this interview. I think I'm the last.
Yes. That was before the Asian Championship. और हमने कहा था कि हम एशियन चैम्पियनशिप को पाकिस्तान लेके आएंगे एंड आई नेवर थॉट वी वर गोइंग टू डू इट बिकॉज आई जस्ट सेड इट के एज अ विश But alhamdulillah, last year we hosted the biggest sporting event in the history of Pakistan, जिसमें 300 athletes from 18 countries ने participate. Athletes and officials ने 18 countries से participate किया. We had a commendation from the Prime Minister's office, which was a big thing for MMA. Not personally, I take this as a journey for the sports of MMA. And inshallah, जो हमारा मैं विजन तो नहीं कहूँगा, वी आर नॉट देयर येट, बट जो हमारा माइंडसेट है टू मेक इट अ सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग इकोनॉमी, उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये है दानियाल, अगर आप देखो कि whoever athletes are competing for Pakistan in different sport, they always have to go to the government to ask for money. And this is what we're doing. We're not going to the government. We're not asking for funds. We're saying that this is the sport that has its own ecosystem, its own economy. And if you support us, in 10 years time we will have an ecosystem rivaling cricket. अब very interestingly मैंने कल रात को figures निकाले. I spoke to someone in Qatar. We were very closely associated to the MMA scene in Qatar, and they said to me कि around $5 to $8 million have been spent to bring UFC to Pakistan. अगर आप उसको PSL से compare करो तो हमारी each team जो है वो 15 से 20 मिलियन साल के spend करती है, ठीक है? तो आपके पास 5 teams हैं, गालिबन I think 5 teams हैं. So if you look at the amount of money that is being spent on cricket, and if you bring a small amount of money, so we can bring UFC to Pakistan in 2 years' time, and that's going to be my biggest dream if we can do that. So we're all geared up and we're all planning for that. The most important bit यहाँ पे ये है कि at the end of the day, a sport cannot survive if it doesn't have a decent payout system for the athletes. We're I won't say we're lucky. I think we're strategically placed. We have created this whole 360 system. So if someone wants to see if they're a fighter, if someone wants to experience the cage, they can start with the white collar fight league, real world fight league happening in 8 cities. ठीक है, आप जहाँ से हो, you can enroll, you can train for a month, and you can see if this gig is for you. Let's say you do well, then you go to the Pakistan Open. You compete in Pakistan Open. You compete at some of the best amateurs. You do well there. We put you in a camp. And from that camp, that can lead to your IMMF World Championships, IMMF Asian Championships. हर स्टेज पे आपको मेहनत करनी है, हर स्टेज पे आपको अपनी गेम बेहतर करनी है. सबसे बड़ी एग्जांपल ईमान खान है, ठीक है. मैं जब पहली दफ़ा उसको अबू धाबी लेके गया, शी लॉस्ट इन द फर्स्ट राउंड. आई वाज वेरी अपसेट बिकॉज मुझे क्योंकि उस वक्त आपको पता नहीं होता कि वेयर डू यू स्टैंड इन द वर्ल्ड. मैं इसको ऐसे समझता हूँ कि जब तक हमने IMMF में कम्पीट नहीं किया था, वी वर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अनदर स्पोर्ट, अ वेरी स्ट्राइकिंग बेस्ड, हम जाके UFC में जैसे कम्पीट करें. बट MMA IMMF इज़ अ वेरी ग्रैपलिंग सेंट्रिक. सो ईमान ने ट्रांजिशन किया सर्बिया में. अगेन शी couldn't get the win, but it was a better performance. उसके बाद she went to Tajikistan on her own. She had a split decision loss, but she fought really well. और to my surprise, I would say a very pleasant surprise, hands down the most dominant amateur fight ever. She beat that Kazakhstani opponent, which was obviously Kazakhstan का जो MMA structure है और उनका जो कह लें कि जो उनका जो system है वो पाकिस्तान से बहुत ज़्यादा advanced है. So competing against a Kazakhstani athlete in the finals and winning in the first round in the most dominant manner was for sure one of the happiest moments of my life.
And in terms of what's coming up now, Pakistan Combat Night. Tell me.
So Pakistan Combat Night, we have created this IP. What we want to do is we want to bring together all the best IMMF competitors in Pakistan. We want to have a fair system because Daniel, हमारा जो main aim है वो है to win medals in IMMAF. That's our main aim. We don't care where that kid or female or male fighter comes from. They could be from GB, they could be from Quetta, they could be from Karachi, they could be from Lahore. We want top competitors. हमने ये पहले भी डिस्कस किया था कि जब भी आप कोई कंपटीशन कराते हैं, there are three categories of people. So there are people who just want to participate and see how good they are. So and then you have the next category who are good competitors who are competing, but you can't see them winning at the championship level. And then there are kids, like Ayan, Manan, Shahab, Iman, Bano, all of these kids. They're championship material. Sorry, I missed Zishan. They are championship material. If you invest in them, they are someone worthy of going to, Brave. They are someone worthy of going to the next step, the UFC. And I think जैसे ही फर्स्ट पाकिस्तानी फाइटर यूएफसी में गया, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ गेम चेंजर। एंड लेट मी कंफर्म यू दैट जो भी अभी हमें लोग सपोर्ट करें, जो भी अभी लोग हमें स्पॉन्सर करें, हम उन्हीं को अपने साथ लेके जाएंगे। We are not going to add new people. And I'm very thankful to the sponsors who have always stood with us, who have always supported our athletes. And I also think we bring a lot of eyeballs to the sport. We bring a lot of value to the sport. Last year, 300 people coming to Pakistan, which is very difficult initially to think of, but alhamdulillah, it was very, very well managed. No one has complained. Humne from airport arrival se leke check into the hotel, staying in the best hotel in Pakistan. Then the Phase 6 DHA ka jo indoor stadium hai, the way we kitted it up and the look and feel of the stadium was one of the best IMMF ever had. And Gareth Brown, the president of IMF, had the highest praise for Pakistan MMA Federation, for the competitors, and Pakistan as a host. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई कि at international stage we put all of this together.
It was marvelous, and this year I feel like it's going to be even better. But I mean, I think a lot of people, and in this video as well, I'll be showing now about Great Gym and the sheer mass of people here. And we had an interns meeting as well earlier, and there's so many people who are willing to volunteer and participate. Can you tell me about this ecosystem that you built in Brave Gym? Of course, spiders are one part of it, but to run a successful organization like this, you need so many hands on deck. So can you tell me a bit about Brave Gym and the ecosystem that's here?
दानियाल, कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स को कामयाब होने के लिए उसके रिक्रिएशनल प्रैक्टिशनर्स बड़े ज़रूरी होते हैं। आप क्रिकेट को देख लो, ठीक है? मैंने बचपन में टेप बॉल क्रिकेट खेली, आई एम श्योर आपने भी खेली, और यहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी लोगों ने खेली। जब तक आप रिक्रिएशनली किसी स्पोर्ट को नहीं खेल सकते, चाहे वो बैडमिंटन हो, चाहे वो वॉलीबॉल हो, यू वुड नेवर मेक दैट स्पोर्ट अ हाउस होल्ड नेम। हमने रियलाइज़ किया कि एमएमए के साथ एक स्टिग्मा अटैच है। कोई पेरेंट भी नहीं चाहता कि उसका बेटा ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड में मुलव्वस हो, चाहे वो ऊपर हो या नीचे हो। इट्स अ वेरी टफ साइड टू वॉच। सो हमने इस स्पोर्ट को डिस्टिग्मेटाइज किया। हमने ये कायम के साथ और डे के साथ मिलकर रियल वर्ल्ड को प्रमोट किया। सो द कॉन्सेप्ट वाज कि इफ़ यू वांट टू बी अ डिसिप्लिन्ड ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू वांट टू have a bit of character development, why don't you jump in the cage, fight against someone who's very similar credentials to you, and see who's the bigger man. So वो चीज़ obviously it blew up on the MMA on the internet circuit, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने इन्वॉल्व होने की कोशिश की। ऑब्वियसली कॉम्बैट स्पोर्ट है, कोई भी दो लोग लड़ रहे हो तो इट हैज़ दैट ट्रैक्शन, इट पीपल वांट टू सी दैट। और जिस तरह इन बच्चों ने इनको उन फाइट्स को पैकेज किया, और सबसे बड़ी बात है, जस्ट आउट ऑफ शेयर पैशन, जस्ट दे हैड नो एजेंडा टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट, दे जस्ट वांटेड everyone to compete and see who the better athlete is. So वहाँ से हमने इसका आगाज़ किया, and we're very lucky कि we had this gym where all these kids were coming, और मैंने उन kids की journey देखी। शुरू में जो बच्चे आए, I saw them when they were 16, 17 years old, finishing A levels, to now they're grown up adults. हमने some of those athletes को IMMAF में compete कराया, although अभी वो उस स्टेज पे नहीं कि हम उनको कहें वो चैम्पियनशिप मटेरियल है, but this is going to be the biggest story, biggest win of Pakistan MMA, कि जब यही बच्चे कल को मेडल जीतेंगे पाकिस्तान के लिए, and they're going to shock the MMA community, ठीक है? और this whole journey is something that we as a community should be proud of, कि आज से 5 साल पहले जब ये जिम खुल रहा था, तो where we were as a sport, where we were as a community, and now 5 years down the lane we are a formidable force in IMMAF, we are a formidable force in Brave. और मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि जो last year I think was a game changer for Pakistan, especially starting with the Brave 85 in Pakistan. Uh, apart from Akib, everybody secured a win. It was unfortunate how Akib lost the fight. Could happen to the best, but I think Rizwan का knockout, one of the most proudest moments of my life. असल स्टोरी बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता कि श्रीकांत शेखर बैकड आउट ऑफ द फाइट 1 day ago, और उसकी वजह ये थी कि हमने 13 अगस्त को उसके लिए स्पेशल वीज़ा का कराया. 13 अगस्त को at 7 PM he went to the embassy to collect his visa in New Delhi. अब ऑब्वियसली अगर मैं भी इंडियन एम्बेसी जाऊँगा रात को जब वो बंद होगी तो मुझे भी वहाँ की पुलिस पूछेगी हु आर यू. सो एन अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हैपेंड वेयर Shrikant was picked up, he was questioned, and obviously he got a bit of cold feet and said I don't want to fight. So a big thanks to Shahid, president of Brave CF. I made a random call, not doing Shrikant Shekhar, कि भाई प्लीज़ मुझे बता how can we convince you. Shahid joined, Shri Bapu joined, and it was a whole theatrics, and thankfully to Shrikant, despite going through that ordeal, he agreed to come and he made it to Pakistan. And we made sure that he had a good welcome, pickup in Baga. Protocol was arranged for him. He was taken to the hotel. Everything was smooth. So वहाँ से I had to go through a lot of emotional roller coaster. ये आएगा नहीं आएगा, और visas, getting 12 Indian visas was one of the toughest things about this whole thing. But he came. A great fight. Rizwan का वेट कट अच्छा नहीं हुआ. Not saying कि Shrikant didn't fought a good fight, but जो रिजवान का वेट कट था, और ये हमारे लिए again बड़ा लर्निंग कर्व था कि जब आप इक्वेटर से उड़ के लाहौर आ रहे हो, so there is a huge climb you're doing and you need few days to climatize. और हमने ये चीज़ फिर ब्रेव 92 में डिफरेंटली की. एनीवेज, कमिंग बैक टू ब्रेव 85, वो जो फाइट थी दैट वाज अ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट. रिजवान दोनों हार चुका हुआ था. रिजवान कुड नॉट स्टे ऑन हिज फीट, और हमने एक अपर कट की प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा की हुई थी. इट बिकेम अ मीम आफ्टरवर्ड्स. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दैट थिंग लैंडेड. इट वाज बिब्लिकल, एंड Rizwan knocked out Shrikant, and we've won that fight. And you saw how excited the 4,000 people in that venue. It was crazy. मुझे बिल्कुल क्लियरली याद है कि उस राउंड के ख़त्म होने से पहले there was a pin drop silence. Everybody was sad that India Pakistan को main event, Pakistan has lost. And suddenly after that whole thing, मैंने वो वीडियो उस इवेंट के बाद जो है ना, मैं हर हफ्ते 2-3 दफ़ा देखता हूँ अपने आप को खुश करने के लिए. तो I think it is going to be one of the best moments of my life.
I mean, I've gone on record saying it was probably the greatest moment in Pakistan MMA history. And Pakistan Combat Night, I mean, we're going to be covering her on the mic as much as we can as well. So I'm really excited for what's about to come. Thank you, obviously, for the time. You guys will be seeing Ormay a lot more on the channel the next couple of weeks. Or any party messages you want to give to people relating to Pak Combat?
So I just want to say कि मेरी ethos ये है कि you win your belts and you win your medals in training. So when you come to compete, you're just there to collect them. Obviously, ये इलिया टपोरिया का कोट है, but I solemnly believe in this. ठीक है, और मैं हमेशा सिंपल बात करता हूँ कि मुकाफात अमल है. आप जितनी मेहनत करोगे आपको उसका रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा. अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो you can't expect to win. So if you're winning here, you have to make sure you transition to the next level. और हमारे पास ये हैं examples. बानो की, ईमान की, they won gold medals, but initially when they competed in INF, they were not even close. So I just want everybody who's competing, who's taking their career seriously, and this is going to lead to a very good payout structure, in very soon time. So my message is train hard, make sure we perform well, and we make sure that we make Pakistan proud in Georgia. I'm in that World Championship where 700 athletes from 90 countries are going to be competing, and at Brave 100, which is going to be the biggest event in Bahrain this year. We're really, really looking forward. Let's go, bro.